Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the framed door panel on your work surface with the joint grooves facing upward. Add a thin line of wood glue to the grooves on the panel. Attach the left and right front panels by sliding them into the long joint grooves on each side of the framed door panel. Insert the top and bottom panels into the grooves. Push down firmly to ensure all panels are correctly seated within the channels. Insert the shelf supports into the desired holes within your cabinet box and place the adjustable shelves on top of them. Add a thin layer of wood glue to your cabinet box's back, left, and right panels. Slide the back panel into the grooves and gently tap it with your mallet to ensure it's correctly seated within the channels. Insert the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes and use your drill to fasten them into place. Locate the corner brackets for your cabinet box and secure them into place using the screws provided. Lastly, attach the rubber bumpers to your door panel's top and bottom corners. Congratulations on completing your assembly.